What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the Samsung Galaxy S23 phone specifications, display characteristics and battery information are revealed on the network. After the launch of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Galaxy Z Flip 4, Samsung has started working on its upcoming flagship line, the successor of the Galaxy S lineup. In the past few months, many leaks and rumors regarding the Galaxy S23 have been revealed. And again this morning, we got a look at the significant leak. This morning, the famous insider digital chat station revealed a few specifications of the Galaxy S23 standard version. As said by the insider, the new standard Galaxy S23 will adopt 6.1 inches 1080p straight display, just like the previous Galaxy S22 standard model. In addition, the insider also revealed that the battery cell's capacity inside the Galaxy S23 model, which is 3900 mAh typical value, the rated value is 3785 mAh. It has been observed that Samsung has been upgraded the battery capacity by 200 mAh. We can expect a better battery backup as the display size and many other components will have the same power consumption as in the standard Galaxy S22 model. As previously reports, the upcoming Galaxy S23 line will come with a new back design in which the camera module is now separate from the side edges. The back side has no dedicated camera module and just camera holes. The body dimensions and display size would remain the same as in the previous Galaxy S22 lineup. In terms of chipset, the entire Galaxy S23 line is expected to be powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, which would be a significant upgrade over its predecessor. As per leaks, Qualcomm will upgrade the entire architecture of its upcoming chipset for next level performance. In some regions, Samsung might manufacture a limited number of Exynos 2230 and Exynos 2300 5G powered Galaxy S23 models. According to the previous reports, Samsung maybe it's enough to save. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is credited with a large battery and slow charging. A full charge will take more than 1 hour. The battery for the flagship smartphone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra has been certified, as a result of which it became known that its capacity will be equal to 5000 mAh. This information was published by a well-known insider under the nickname Ice Universe. The source adds that the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will support 25 watts wide charging. With such a battery, a full charge will take more than 1 hour. But according to another source, the digital chat station says that all the models in the Galaxy S23 line would support a 45 watts fast charging. Only the Chinese models will support 25 watts charging, as per 3C certification. However, the battery capacity in the Plus and Ultra models is currently unknown. The leaks also state that the high-end variant Galaxy S23 Ultra will feature a 200 megapixel sensor. It is expected that the new Galaxy S23 line will officially launch in February next year. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.